Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Friday, December 12th, 2025, 9:22 a.m. Mountain Time, past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We have seen huge decline today, especially in tech-related stocks, AI-related stocks. Nasdaq here down almost 2%, 1.8% right now. Dow is down 0.4%. S&P is down 1.2%, and Nasdaq volume is up, so up 2.9%, and volume is a little bit lower on NYSE. But again, we're seeing distribution signs here. Yesterday we had a mild distribution day on Nasdaq. Today we continue to see more distribution, uh, and again we now have slide all the way back to the red line very quickly here. So again, today is a very bad day for lots of tech stocks. So it's not a good sign. We can quickly just take a look at some of the stocks that I just highlight here. We have Light, SNDK, TSEM, WDC, SITM, STX, Avago, SMTC, Lab, Rambus, ANET. All these are down significantly. If we look at the two reported Avago here, Broadcom. This one, look at this undercut right here. So we're back all the way to the red line here, spoiling the index. Um, yeah, not a good sign. Even though their numbers came in, I think, much better than expected. But again, the market has a bad reaction. You can see earnings surprise up 4%. Yeah, numbers are still pretty strong, but markets still sell off on on this news, as well as another one that reported CN. This one also come tumbling down, now down 10%. This one has been, a pretty hot stock as well, and now it's selling off, coming back to the 10-day. So yeah, just lots of areas. I mean, momentum is the other one in this area, telecom area, and this one undercut the 10-day right now. So this one has also been a superstar, and now it's giving back a lot, down 11%. So a lot of stocks getting hit hard in the tech area. So something to be aware of today. And who knows, this, you know, it's been weird that the Nasdaq has been lagging a lot. So that's one thing. And second is, like, the AI tech stocks just hasn't moved even since Nvidia reported. So that's the negative thing, right? Like, nothing seems to lift that group up anymore. Um, so something to be aware of. Here's QQQ again. One more look at it. If we do break the red line, I think that will be trouble because we haven't broke this red line. You know, well, we did break it like recently, but yeah, hopefully we'll find support today. That's the key, right? If we see some bounce near the end of the day, that'll be a really good sign. Um, but yeah, I don't know. It's just been really terrible for this group. They just hasn't done that well. I mean, the ones I just highlighted, most of them are at new highs, right? But not everything are at new highs. Um, and that's the problem. I think a lot of big caps have been hit hard. Let's look at Microsoft just quickly. Yeah, see, this is near the lows here, right? There's lots of other stocks too. This is just an example of it, but a lot of these stocks that are, yeah, let's quickly take a look at Palantir and Nvidia as well. So, it has come back a lot, Palantir, but it's getting hit today. Who knows? This might be a buying opportunity for some of this. I don't know. But Nvidia here, look at it hasn't moved much since even the bounce, right? That's the problem. And anyhow, so that is the tech side. Let's go to SPY here. SPY also came back down to 21 day, the pink line. Um, Still trading pretty tight, a bit better than the Nasdaq. So we'll see again. Lots of selling pressure this morning. Look at this. I mean, this is just terrible. Like, there's no bounce, not much of a bounce. Like, this was the only bounce here, and quickly got squashed. Let's look at Dow here. Dow also under a lot of selling pressure. So Dow and Russell has been leading the market recently. Look, this morning it make a new high again. So again, this is still looking pretty strong. It's normal to give back some. after such a long good few day run here. Same thing with Russell here. Still way above the 10 days. Still have a very strong slope there. So yeah, in terms of like growth stocks today, like I mean it's pretty weak today. There's no doubt. Like GE is moving. Um, you know, some of these are laggard, like GE has been a laggard recently until today. I'm not sure if there was any news in the aerospace defense. HWM also bounced a little bit here too. Both stocks are in that area. NWA is still going really strong. This is consumer loans. Yesterday, I'm not sure if there was any news, but it moved really big yesterday. Today is still going. UBS, this one is really strong as well. Look at this coming out. Very strong base here. Cabana is still going. Let's look at Cabana here. Look at this. Very steep uptrend there. ATAT, this is a Chinese stock moving today, bouncing out. Like I think it's new high there. McKesson, Rango. There's some gold FNV down here. Let's take a quick look. Rango making new high here. Pretty strong. FNV. Also very strong, breaking out there. Go make a strong move this morning before reversing, following the market move. But overall, yeah, I think market, went up a couple of days strong, at least since, not too much the tech area, but other areas. And today is a give back day. We'll see how it closes. Let me go to SPY on the weekly here. Um, so I mean, right now it doesn't look good because it looks like we kind of went below last week. But even if we close at this level, it's not too bad. We only down 0.6% for the week. So yeah, so that looks better. Um, QQQ. This one, pull back to the red line, right? Dow on the weekly chart, look at that, it's still near the new high. So again, hasn't given back much. IW again, new record high, hasn't given back much yet. So still looks pretty good even with today's drop. Um, but yeah, today is a give back day. And let me look at one more thing. In a way, the IBD 50 again, it has not done very well. I think part of it might be because there's still lots of tech related stuff in there, which again today got hammered. You can see how much it went down, 3.5, almost 3.5%. So if it hasn't done too well, you know, the IBD 50 here, because again, probably some of them are tech related. Oh, the other area that got hit hard, which I didn't talk about, is the kind of like the some of the industrial related AI related, right? Like CLS, Cohere, FIX, FN, MOD, SNM, and TTMI. Like a lot of this, got hit hard as well today. Like Cohere is probably the strongest one. Again, just giving back today, very strong, almost 10%. Anyhow, we'll see if this trend will continue. Like some of this just hasn't budged at all. Like they're just pulling back to their 10-day again. They did that last time here. They bounced, and so forth. So thank you all for watching. I'll come up with my weekend videos. Please like and subscribe.